How to change shipping speed on Amazon. Welcome back to Glitch Sorcerer, and let's get right into this tutorial. So starting off, just head over to your amazon.com. Make sure that you are logged in into your Amazon account. Now first and foremost, you need to log in, and right after that just go ahead at the top and select on the option of returns and orders from your dashboard, or tap on account and list and head to your orders. Now right here you can check out your latest orders, or if not, just tap on view orders in 2024. Once you are in here, from all of your orders, you need to check out the order detail and select on the option of change shipping address that will be at the bottom. You can see the option of change payment method, change shipping speed, cancel items, archive order, change the speed. All you have to do is simply tap on the change shipping speed bubble, and just like that you'll be able to change your shipping speed on your Amazon. It is a quick and easy process. However, if you face any of the difficulty regarding it, check out the help and support of Amazon. And that's pretty much it for the video as well. Thank you so much for tuning in.